Hello, Falcons. It's Mrs. Walton, and I'm back to read to you. And this week, I have a really, really special book. I know how much you guys all love Coach Carr, and he donated this book, see, from Coach Carr to our library. So I thought I would read it today. This book is called I Will Be Fierce. It's by Birdsong. What a pretty name. Illustrated by Nidhi Chani. I will be fierce. Today, I will be fierce. I will answer the call to adventure. I will put on my armor. I will fill my treasure chest. I will go forth to explore new worlds. Today, I will be fierce. I will take on the monsters that stand in my way. Look at those monsters. I will drive back the dragons. Looks like those dogs sure like those bubbles. I will dare to walk with giants. I will charge the many-headed serpent. Many-headed serpent. Today, I will be fierce. I will chart my own course. I will climb the mountain of knowledge. I will trick the guardian of wisdom into revealing her secrets. That's a good way of thinking about librarians. Guardian of wisdom. I'm going to see if my kids will call me that. I will solve the mysteries of the unknown. Today, I will be fierce. I will break away from the ordinary. I will stand up for my beliefs. I will build new bridges. I will search for light in the darkness. Today, I will be fierce. I will claim my victory. I will conquer my fears. This is one of my favorites. I will make my voice heard. I will be the hero of my own story. Today, I will be fierce. I will lead the way home, and then I will rest. For tomorrow, I will be fierce again. I loved that book. I bet you all did too. And thank you to Coach Carr for donating it to our library. I always love it when that happens. You have a great week, Falcons. I'll be back next week, and keep reading. Bye-bye.